Welcome to our new playlist of guided meditation. In this collection, you'll find a variety of meditations designed to help you find inner peace, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of serenity and calm. Meditation can be a great tool for reducing stress, improving focus, and increasing overall well-being. In this video, we will explore 8 different guided meditations that are perfect for those who are just starting out on their meditation journey. Whether you're looking to find inner peace, improve your sleep, or simply relax, there's a meditation here for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Guided Meditation 1, Mindful Breathing. Our first meditation is a simple yet powerful mindfulness meditation that focuses on the breath. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Begin to bring your attention to your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. If your mind wanders, simply bring your attention back to your breath. Continue to focus on your breath for the next 10 minutes. Guided Meditation 2, Body Scan. Our second meditation is a body scan meditation that focuses on bringing awareness to the sensations in your body. Lie down on your back with your arms at your sides and your legs uncrossed. Close your eyes and bring your attention to the top of your head. Slowly scan down your body, bringing awareness to each part of your body as you go. Notice any sensations without judgment. Continue the body scan for the next 15 minutes. Guided Meditation 3, Loving Kindness. Our third meditation is a loving kindness meditation that focuses on cultivating feelings of love and compassion for yourself and others. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Begin by bringing to mind someone you love and care for deeply. Repeat the following phrases silently to yourself: may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you be at peace. Visualize them surrounded by love and light. Continue this meditation for 15 minutes. Guided Meditation 4, Chakra Balancing. Our fourth meditation is a chakra balancing meditation that focuses on bringing balance to the energy centers in your body. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Begin by bringing your attention to the base of your spine and visualize a red light glowing brightly. Move your attention up to your belly button and visualize an orange light, then up to your solar plexus and visualize a yellow light. Continue up to your heart and visualize a green light, your throat and visualize a blue light, your third eye and visualize a purple light, and finally to the top of your head. Visualize each light growing brighter and stronger with each breath. Imagine the energy flowing freely through each chakra, bringing balance and harmony to your body. Continue this meditation for the next 20 minutes. Guided Meditation 5, Mindful Walking. Our fifth meditation is a mindfulness meditation that involves walking. Find a quiet and peaceful space to walk, either indoors or outdoors. Begin by standing still and taking a few deep breaths. As you begin to walk, bring your attention to the sensation of your feet on the ground. Notice the movement of your body as you walk. If your mind wanders, simply bring your attention back to your walking. Continue to walk mindfully for the next 10 minutes. Guided Meditation 6, Yoga Nidra. Our sixth meditation is a Yoga Nidra meditation that focuses on deep relaxation. Lie down on your back with your arms at your sides and your legs uncrossed. Close your eyes and follow along with the guided meditation. Allow yourself to completely relax and let go. Continue the Yoga Nidra for the next 20 minutes. Guided Meditation 7, Gratitude. Our seventh meditation is a gratitude meditation that focuses on cultivating feelings of gratitude and appreciation. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Begin by bringing to mind something or someone that you are grateful for. Allow yourself to fully feel the gratitude in your heart. Repeat the following phrase silently to yourself: I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. Continue to bring to mind more things you are grateful for and continue the meditation for the next 10 minutes. Guided Meditation 8, Self-Compassion. Our eighth meditation is a self-compassion meditation that focuses on cultivating feelings of love and kindness towards yourself. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes.